Hi guys, it's me again, Pearl. Welcome back to another vlog, another beauty episode, okay? So in this video, our topic is how to maintain a youthful look at age 40, okay? So many people are asking me, whenever I do the live streaming in YouTube, there are many foreigner people who happen into my stream and then keep on asking me how old I am. And when I told them that I'm already in my 40s, and they were shocked. Oh my god. I don't know if they're just joking or... Because most of the time they're asking me, how old are you? Like this, like that. You look like in your 30s, Char. So, I'm really flattered about that. Okay? But honestly, when it comes with my own feeling, I really don't feel old. I always feel young. Okay, age is just a number, right? Hindi nagbabago yung pakiramdam ko. Ganun pa rin siya. Ganun pala talaga yun eh. Nagbabago lang yung ating physical, but our emotion, ang ating damdamin, na walang pagbabago. Kung nasasaktan tayo noon, nagiging mature lang tayo and we don't care things anymore, right? And okay, let's go back to the topic. How to maintain our youthful look at age 40. So right now, I'm in my 40s and turning 41. In the days to come, right? So how do I maintain my youthful look at age 40? Of course, I keep on eating healthy food from time to time. I eat fish, I regularly eat fish, I regularly eat fruits and vegetables, okay? I keep on praying. I believe that praying and have a deep connection to God can help us to maintain our youthful look, right? Why? Because from time to time, we surrender all our worries and fears to the Lord, right? So, yun talaga yung katotohanan. Kung ano man yung mga takot mo sa buhay, ano man yung mga kalungkutan natin sa buhay, ano natin yan kay Lord, i-cast out natin yan, okay? So, ayun. With regards to our physical naman, of course, we have to apply a simple pressed powder. Okay, from time to time, I use Evervelena. Ito ang ginagamit ko. Yan ang pressed powder ko. Whenever I do the live streaming and I would love to talk in front of the people. Ayan. Okay, and in this video, my lipstick that I wore is Hydromatic Avon, the Scarlet shade, okay? The Scarlet shade. I'm going to drop the link of the Avon lipstick, okay? And the blush on that I use in this video is this one, and the contour. This is the Be Free of Watson BYS Face 3U, okay? And I use this. Ang ganda nito guys na brush. Napaka-fair. Medyo pricey siya, pero maganda. Maganda siya. I'm also going to drop the link so you can check the price of this, okay? So, yan. So, importante din na, tayo, parang positive lagi sa buhay. Huwag tayo masyado nag-aalala. Okay? Maging kind lang tayo sa kapwa natin kasi whatever kindness that we do to people, it bounce to us, right? There's always a karmic effect to the things that we're doing from time to time. So if you do good, we feel good, and if you do good to others, good things happen to us, right? So ganun lang siya. And of course, one thing is you have to wear outfit that is really suited for you. Kasi like you prefer loose dress, loose damit, syempre you will look lousy, right? So, make it sure that the damit that you're wearing or the sandals like this is fitted to you, right? And of course, you have to maintain our youthful skin if you would love to become youthful. I apply lotion. Okay, kasi kapag nagkakaedad na tayo guys, yung skin natin, giging dry na, di ba? Tapos ayun, wear smile from time to time. And always find a reason to be happy in order for us to find this life purposeful, right? And having a good relationship with our spouse, with our children, with our relatives, and to all the people around us. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Okay, bye. God bless. Like and subscribe and click the link in order for you to order the lipstick shade that I wear in this video.